EasiNote Basic Training, Tutorial 8, Toolbox Mini Tools. There are a variety of tools that are built into the EasiNote program. To access them, go to the Toolbox. The basic course covers 6 of these: the magnifier, the screen wrap, the spotlight, the timer, page replay, and the screenshot. The first one we want to use is the magnifier, so I'm going to click on this, and that automatically brings this up on the screen. If you position your cursor inside the magnified area, you're then able to drag this around the screen. If you want further magnification, select that little cog, and then you can pull this over to make it more magnified. You can also use it for things like flowers to have a closer look, or veins on leaves. To close it down, just hit the X. The next one is the screen wrap. If we actually cover, you're able to reveal as much or as little of the screen as you want, finally revealing the answer. Another option, if you notice here on the right hand side, is this little square. If we click on this, what this allows us to do is to mask only a portion of the screen. And now that's covered up and we can reveal the answer underneath. We've also got the option to select this cog, and this allows us to browse through our own sort of gallery and find something that we want to use. Hit open and it automatically will change that to another image. To close it down, just hit the X. The spotlight. Here's the spotlight, and with this one, position your cursor outside that spotlight area, and then you're able to drag it around the screen. By pulling on that gray border, you can make it smaller or you can make it larger. You can also change the shape to a square if you wish as well, and position your cursor outside to move it around. I'm going to close that down and go to the next. The timer is here. With the timer, to move it around the screen, hold on to that icon and drag it wherever you want to. Wherever you place it, if you change pages, you'll still see that it stays in that same position. To set it, go to the little cog. These up and down arrows will allow you to change the time. Here's your hours, the second set are your minutes, and there's your seconds. To close the green arrows down, hit that little cog, and then hit the play button. When it gets to 5 seconds, it'll automatically start to chime. And that will signify the finish. If you hit the X here, that will remove it from the screen. The next one is the page replay. This allows you to replay the entire page. So I'm going to select that, and then you'll notice that this icon appears on the page. To start the replay, hit the play button, and it's automatically going to trace over these letters, so it will help students to see how to form letters and numbers. Also things like foreign language characters, Japanese, Chinese. You can also use it for mathematical equations, where you've written the entire equation and then replay it, pausing at each step to get the students to predict. Here's a shape here that's on the screen that's being rotated. To pause this at any point, just hit the pause button. To close it or to stop it, just hit the black square. And to close it down completely, hit this button here. The next one is your options for screenshot. So if we go to the toolbox, it's here. You can see here that I've captured a few different areas. To crop a photo with a defined edge, then select this icon here and then just drag a box over the portion of the image you want to capture. If you want to capture an irregular section like this one here, select this icon and then just drag a shape around the screen and it will give you that shape. To capture the entire screen like a print screen, select this icon and it will automatically save the entire page. You can see now it's added it to a new page. I'm on page 8. The original page was page 7. close it down, just hit that little icon there and it will go away. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. For further information, contact us at info@edis.com.au.